Is your T-Mobile CellSpot or Magenta booster not working? First, check for T-Mobile outages in your area using the T-Mobile app or website. Then, ensure your device is compatible with your T-Mobile plan. Postpaid is often required for CellSpot. A simple reset, holding the power button for 10 seconds, can often fix software glitches. If that doesn't work, use the T-Mobile app to check for and install any available firmware updates. VPNs can interfere with your booster's connection, so try disabling them. Also, verify that your SIM card is unlocked and that you're eligible for the booster program. For 5G boosters, ensure you have adequate T-Mobile 5G coverage in your area. These boosters may struggle in rural locations with spotty coverage. Proper antenna placement is key to maximizing your signal boost. Place the external antenna outdoors with a clear line of sight to the nearest T-Mobile cell tower. Use apps like CellMapper to locate the nearest tower and avoid obstructions such as metal or electronics that can interfere with the signal. Position the internal antenna indoors, away from walls and electronics, ideally 6 to 8 feet high, and centered in your desired coverage area. For multi-story homes, consider one booster per floor to ensure even coverage throughout the building. Maintain at least 20 feet of separation between the external and internal antennas to prevent signal oscillation, which can degrade performance. Use the T-Mobile app's coverage checker to test signal strength after making adjustments. Solid lights on the booster indicate it's active and working properly. Fluctuating signals may suggest network issues rather than booster faults. Remember, 70% of fixes involve placement adjustments or software updates.